I still have insight and contacts. I'm still useful sometimes. Who knew? Still useful. But what is coming is very different. It's nothing anybody imagined. There's a formation of one of those brand new systems. I guess people are going to call it something different, but it's quite powerful, quite destructive. I don't know if you'll remember this conversation in 2 weeks, but we have something coming in 2 weeks. That's not going to compare to anything else. It's going to be quite destructive and quite different. For example, there could actually be a foot of hail. Can you imagine that? A foot of hail. That's 12 inches of hail. That's a pretty powerful storm. And just before you say that's impossible, you do recall the water potential or the flooding that took place out of nowhere. Several inches of rain in less than an hour and a half. A lot of places. If that translates into ice, because the wind will be much more than it was then. Updrafts will be much more powerful. And the high pressure and low pressure systems, they're going to be driven by a heat and cold differential we've not seen before. Will start striking in many different places. Why? Many of the governments of the world right now are trying to stake their claim on Greenland because of its position. The ice is melting all over that area, and it is a strategic place, a good positioning place to run operations all over the world, but being protected by some of this weather phenomena. They've tried hard. They only succeeded in a temporary evaporation point with HARP. They already tried that 2 or 3 times this year, and it didn't work. The forces that we're facing are tremendous, tremendous. And they're going to continue to build and build and build. Be ready for those things, everybody. Be ready.